Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my natural look with only highlight and powder. So I will be doing a natural look today, only powder and highlight, and yep, we will add some eyebrows on to get a good look. So let's get started. I normally use this because my lips are like, you know how it's winter time, my lips are dry right now. Are dry. And this, I use it for my face. The coconut oil cream. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this eyebrow pencil. And I'll be using the eyebrow gel. To cut my line for the eyebrows, I'll be using the eyebrow gel. Filling the end. Okay. Do the same at this other side too. I know you guys are saying right now, like, what is it like that? But just watch and see how the result will come. Okay. Now, to fill it in, I will be using the eyebrow pencil. It's brown. So then I will have to brush my eyebrows to get a better shape and shade. So to fix my eyebrows, I normally use my foundation. first part, as you guys can see. Now I will be using my powder. First, I will do my eyeshadow with the clear, it's Tevi, wherever Tevi. I will be using, oh my god, I will be using the shade, those two. I will be using those two for my eyeshadow. As you guys can see, this is a clear, just like a match for my skin. Like it's just natural. Okay, so guys, I will use that shade to make it kind of like, okay, now I'll be using my powder for my face. It's called City Bronzer. This powder, it's mixed with highlight inside it. So it has highlights inside. Look close, then they will know that I'm wearing makeup. But when somebody's far away, they cannot tell if I have makeup on. Okay. Guys, this will result for the look. I recommend this powder, and I will write the name down below. And I got this powder from Walmart. You can find it anywhere online, whichever your design is. That's where. I'm not using too many. I'm just like grabbing a little bit. And so I'm done with the powder part. And now I'm going to do. Now guys, I will be using this. It's bronzer. It's this from the same product. It's bronzer too, City Bronzer too. I will be using this for my highlight. Forehead, don't pull that much. Just pull a little bit. That can, like, you know how it's like shining. Just pull a little bit. Don't pull that much. And on my cheek, I'm not putting that much because as I said, it's a natural look. So I won't be putting that much. On my nose, I will just use a little bit right there. Okay. And this part I will add there too. And then I will have to brush this to get a little bit of the highlight. Okay guys, now I will be using my mascara. As I said, this is a natural look, so I'm not supposed to use eyelashes, but if I want to, you can use eyelashes if you want to, but it's here. But I will be using mascara. Okay guys, I'm trying to blend in my mascara. Okay. Okay guys. Now I will use my setting spray to, I got this from Walmart too. Okay. This helps for your makeup to last longer. So when I'm doing my natural look, I normally use the spray. But in most of my videos, you guys can see I'm not using the spray. I just got a spray, and I did a video before. I did a video and I didn't use the spray. I forgot to use the spray. It wasn't in my setting place. Okay, so I will be using this lip liner. And then for my lips, I will be using this. It's called Jumbo Crayon for lips. I got this from the beauty store by Family Dollar. If you live in the mall, you know where that is. It's called Midcat Brown. It's okay guys. That's my end. And that's my final result. That's my final. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe for more of my videos. I will be doing makeup, hairstyles, and all pranks and everything, but it's this time around I'm only doing makeup and hairstyles. So thank you guys for watching my video, and this is my final result. I hope you guys liked it. So please make a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video.